We had the most amazing journey of storytellers that were all bringing a very unique and interesting, fascinating perspective through story of place. The theme was Spirit of Place. And so, yeah, we went on a complete journey. There were stories from overseas, here, like reflections. What's really interesting with Storywise and me and my connection with the storytelling community, which is a kind of pretty down-to-earth, it's definitely an imperfect art, and NIDA and Nithya's connections to a different group of people, and bringing those two groups together brought this really extraordinary contrast in stories, and it was a beautiful mix of stories that we heard because of that partnership, I think. Yeah, so it was really exciting to see it unfold.